Mega Trucks 4! Woo! Hit him, Michael, hit him!
Yeah, suck it!
Alright, let's do it!
Yeah!
We got it,
What's the rotation?
Give me some!
What's the rotation?
Oh.
What's the rotation?
Peter goes first.
And then me, and then you.
Oh!
And then Max and then Steven. I'll hold the camera.
Whoever's up. Here, no.
You're up next, so I'll get it. Oh, dude, that hurt.
Move!
Peter, you're up.
No, Peter.
Ah!
Good job.
Pretty far. Alright, go. Peter, you record. Make sure you get all of it. Guys, after we also an amateur recording person.
No, guys, we should.
No, I record all the time.
We should each go twice after we all go once.
I didn't realize it was that close. Here. Oh dear God.
Wait, what?
When you face me, face me. Or should I say, face your dude?
No, stop. I got it.
But you're up next.
I don't care. I got it.
Oh, balls. Oh.
Wow.
No, here, Peter, go again. We're gonna go twice in a row now. Oh my God, dude, that hurts.
I'm going nowhere. No, if I face you, I could just go right back.
You could have a what heart attack?
He slid so far on that one.
Alright, so we each go twice now?
Yeah. Here, hang on. You have to wait for him to get the
Oh,
camera.
I'm feeling the adrenaline. Ow, dude, I hurt.
Wait,
I'll hurt from
do I have to do two more?
All right, no, now you just do this one. That's fine. Too bad.
Well, did you get that other one?
Oh, yeah.
Did you get, wait, did you get that other one?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, go.
Holy crap.
You got hit in your favorite. Oh.
That was cool.
Oh, hey, Michael. Oh, dear God.
Watch out.
Oh, dear God.
Get off the counter. Okay, there. Holy crap. Steven. All right, get up. Come on.
Dude, should he hit me while I'm this way?
No, you'll go like this.
It's my turn still. Oh, yeah.
Oh, gotta keep on going.
Watch out, Peter. Peter, you're in the way.
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah.
Get down, son.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I think he hit his head on the thing.
Oh, God. The show must go on.
Hurry, let's just finish.
Yeah. All right, one more hit. Dude, do not drill me.
Here we go. Yes, drill him. Kill him. Ah.
Wait, now everybody gets one
This.
more mega hit.
Wait, what?
Everybody gets one more mega hit.
No, next video.
I tried to
It's
make it.
fine.
Okay.
All right,
Everybody
fine.
gets one more mega hit.
All right.
Mega hit. I've had my mega. What's a mega hit? Oh, you want me to give you?
Give him a mega hit.
Ah.
Ah! Oh my God!
Oh, God.
Deja vu! Deja vu!
Hey, you're being a team player this time, man. That's all I've got to say to you.
All right. Jesus.
Take one for the team. Oh. Last one.
Steven, if you don't want to get...
Oh, my ACL!
Is your wrist okay?
Alright, that's it.
That's it for Mega Trucks 4!
Oh.
Yeah, let's roll it. Yeah.